There has been a new threat which has been escalating, and that is called as nightmare bacteria. Now these bacteria have the NDM gene. Now this NDM gene is affecting the carbapenems. Now these are considered as the last line of action. The first line of action is a standard antibiotic course that is given. The second line of action is a broad spectrum antibiotic which is given usually in the cases of tuberculosis, and then the last line is carbapenems. Now these are the last resort for antibiotics which are given in the cases of infection which are not controlled by any other means. Now what happens is bacteria which have this NDM gene would destroy. Now once they start destroying, the enzymes which are used for this process would be affected, and finally this carbapenem antibiotic itself would be rendered ineffective. Now this is because these bacteria have evolved the process of resistance. Now if we see the total reported cases from 2019, there were less than 2 cases per lakh of population, which have gone to nearly 3.5 cases per lakh of population, and also there has been a 5-fold increase in the NDM gene which is seen in the bacteria. Now even in the United States, if we talk about the resistance versus the non-resistant cases, there are very high proportion of resistant cases, and even the large states like California, Florida, New York and Texas have not provided the complete data, and because of the lack of resources it is turning dangerous, because these are considered as antibiotic resistant bacteria and therefore called as nightmare bacteria. Now the major thing here is there has been frequent and unnecessary use of antibiotics for a long period. In many cases there has been incomplete treatment, there has been no bacterial illnesses, but even for viral diseases antibiotics have been prescribed, which has led to further resistance, and there has been a significant increase in the use of antibiotics post the COVID period 2019 or the COVID-19, right? So let's say there is a normal bacteria, it just transfers the genes to the from the resistant bacteria to the normal bacteria, and both bacteria A and B would turn out into a resistant bacteria, and that's how this virus replicates. So we have also seen not just United States but areas like South Asia, Southern Europe, Africa and Latin America have seen cases where NDM genes have been found in the bacteria. Greece, Italy have reported very high number of cases. Similarly, Brazil and Argentina have again reported a huge amount of cases. Now, what could be the way forward to deal with those new stream of bacteria that are evolving? So definitely better surveillance, improved infection control, better drug development and responsible use of antibiotic is very, very important to ensure that there is no antibiotic resistance bacteria that are evolving in the future line. So those are some of the important things that we have discussed about the nightmare bacteria, a very, very important topic for your upcoming examination, specifically what is NDM gene and how dangerous it is, so how it produces the enzyme which destroys the carbapenems, and the last line of defense for the control of any bacterial infection, or the last line of defense in case of severe infection is carbapenems, and how it affects the carbapenems or resists the action of carbapenems is very, very important. So those were some of the important developments that we have discussed here. Thanks for joining. Of course, we'll have many more topics for you before your UPSC prelims. Have a great day.